Okay, loves, this is a quick video that I threw together to post while I'm on vacation. So it's going to be short and sweet with this beautiful fuchsia and gray tones that I have going on. So I'm standing here in my doorway as I walk into my home. If you keep walking to my left, there is my entryway, which I very seldomly share here lately for some reason. I don't have very much going on here, just some wall art, a couple of vases. The wall art is either from Home Goods or Ross. The vases, these unique ginger jars here, are from Z Gallery. The candle holders are from Amazon. These are some super cute pineapple candle holders that you can get from Amazon, and they're really pretty. You can turn them on. They change colors and it gives you that water globe effect. I love that. Everyone knows, if you've been following me, I love things that lights up and things that sparkles and shine, and I love pops of color. My entryway table, I'm going to place the link below to that. You finally can get your hands on that. It's actually at Walmart. I'll place the link below if it's available. My bookends are from Home Goods. The little vase, the little jar here is from Z Gallery with some Z Favor Mart vase fillers there. The flowers in here, these are actually from Amazon, and I'll place the link below to these. But this one is actually from Hobby Lobby. The vase is from Z Gallery. The stand is from Home Goods. Now, turning around on this side, mirror from Z Gallery. I had that mirror there for about 7 years. It's so heavy. It's like one of those pieces, a timeless and elegant piece that you would like keep forever. And so I can see myself having this mirror there for probably another 3 or 4 years because I love it that much. Let's see here. The fuchsia Pampas grass is from Michael's. I purchased it during the spring. This super cute vase trio set here is from Z Gallery. It's no longer available. My little flamingo set down there is from Home Goods. The accent cabinet here is from At Home. This super cute vase here is from Z Gallery. The flower that you see here is another Michael's find. The pineapple candle is a luxury candle gifted to me several years ago from Thomas Ferrier over on Instagram. My end tables are from Homary. Lamps are from Home Goods. My beautiful ellipse vase. I love this vase. Now, when I purchased this vase, I think I paid about 60, no more than 70 bucks. I may have even paid 50 bucks for it. Now, this vase, I think, is around about $199. So if you're interested in getting this vase, you better grab it before it ends up getting to be $300 and $400 bucks. I was so lucky to even grab one of these mini ellipse vases. I paid 14 bucks for this one. My coffee table is a transformer table coffee table. It actually goes with my table in there. I can actually take my table and expand it out to sit 12, and I actually can re-span it in to sit one person. It can even be turned into a console table. That dining room table is thebomb.com. I love it. And what I do is I store my extra plaques here. If I want to spread this is 3 extra plaques. So if I want to spread my table out to sit 12, I can do that. It also came with a bench. I have the bench currently in my family room. You may have seen the family room video before this one. I'm not sure. I can say all the pillows that I have on the couch in my chair right now are from Z Gallery. The gray pillows I've had for several years. I don't think you can get your hands on these pillows here. These are so pretty. I love the details of the velvet in these pillows. And these Mongolian round pillows, you probably can get your hands on these. They had these on clearance like forever, like 29 bucks like forever. Nobody wanted to buy this color but me. Oh, And this pillow here, I purchased it a few months ago. Love this. This is one of their new signature blingy out pillows. And my couch is from Rooms to Go. Now, what did I do to make me want to keep this couch? Because I was thinking about getting me a new couch, but I like it even more now. I added those acrylic legs. It was some brown legs on the couch. I ordered the acrylic legs from Amazon. I think they were like 40 bucks and it's like 4 in a pack. So now I'll keep this couch for probably a couple more years because I love the couch and I haven't seen anyone else with this particular couch. This chair, I've had it for a while. It's from Wayfair. Now originally I would have my big wingback chair here, but I kind of got tired of that wingback chair. So I put it in my master bedroom for a minute. And I'll put it back in the living room, but for now, I just wanted a different feel in here. So this chair is from Wayfair. I'll place a link to that as well. The accent cabinet here, the accent table here is from Z Gallery. It's no longer sold. This vase is so pretty. I love this vase. It's kind of like a chain link vase, and it's so unique. You can like take it and mash it down and things like that. You can use this vase by itself, or you can adorn it with some pampas grass, as I have in this video. Now the pampas grass is from Etsy. It sheds like crazy. I know I probably can spray it with some hairspray. I just haven't had a chance to purchase any hairspray, but it does shed. I love it because of the color. And my drapes here, these are from, what are these from? 2-page curtains or whatever. I think these are 2-page curtains. I like these because they're velvet, they're gray, and they're not like dark out. I don't like to darken out my space. I love the light. I like light even when it's dark. So I don't like my room to feel dark. So I like the fact that these drapes are not thick to where you can't see the light in them, but they're velvet and they're not lined. I purposely asked them not to line my drapes. These are custom drapes, and I didn't get them lined because I wanted to be able to get more light in my space. And then I also have some sheers behind them. I just like mixing my regular drapes with a pair of white sheers. It just makes my space look so flowy and airy. Wall art is from Home Goods. That's a 2-piece set. Then I also have another wall art in the middle of the wall just to give it a little more Team Too Much stuff going on here. My what are those? My curtain rods are from Bed Bath & Beyond. I was able to get that set for like 19 bucks. Bed Bath & Beyond is going out of business now. You may not be able to get your hands on those rods, but that was an awesome price for those rods. My rug is from Well Woven. I love me some Well Woven rugs. This was gifted to me a few years ago, and I've had this rug down in this room ever since they gave it to me because I don't want to take it up. I don't want to take it up because I really like it. It's nice and clean and it flows well with the space. My chandelier is from ET2 Lighting, gifted to me from Instagram a few years ago. If I said these sconces are from Z Gallery, you can actually get these sometime for like 29 bucks, but I think the regular price is like 49, but sometimes they may have them for 29, which is a good price. I just put some votive candles in there. They run by batteries. Those candles are from Hobby Lobby. So this sums up this room, everyone. I hope that this video inspired at least one person. I hope that you guys are loving and feeling this fuchsia that I'm using in this space. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.